The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Barry, good morning. Think sound is good. Sight and sound good. Thank you, Ed. Thank you, Dennis. Guys, good morning. Happy Monday, December 2nd. Couple of weeks till Christmas, fellas. We are, good morning, Eric. We are careening toward the end of the year. Brett, good morning. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Super weekend of college football. In any event, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have a number of trials this week. John, good morning. Andrew, good morning. The Hokies won. I'm going to be interrupted, guys, much of the morning. Well, at least for the first 40 minutes, I would say. People needing the link to get in, even though it's in the member area. Good morning, Pascal. Richard, good morning. Yeah, I didn't see Virginia Tech's score. I'm assuming you're referring to Virginia Tech. But I did see and relished Ohio State losing to Michigan. Day's got to go. When do they start that chant? Day's got to go. Can't beat Michigan. Notre Dame won. Should make the college playoffs. I gave up in the second week, but I guess we're in. Apex does have 90% off activation fees. It's saved now. Is their 90% off code. Saved now. Which it's been. I mean, it's been for a long while. Was that for 80%? If anybody wants Apex accounts, please let me know. For those of you that may be unaware, my wife has a link, and it's not a profit center for she or I. All of the money goes to her shelter. For those of you that don't know, my wife volunteers 3 days a week at the animal shelter here. She has for about 7 years now. And all of those funds provide for the animals at the shelter. So in many instances, they have dogs that are on special diets, and right now they can't afford. Yeah, send me an email, Eric. Right now they can't afford to buy the special dog food, so we've been doing it. And usually at the end of the year coming up, for those of you that are monthly, I kind of offer a 2-for-1. 2 months for the price of one. I've done it the last 2 years, and some very generous donations from members. And again, that not a profit center. It goes straight to her and the shelter and the needs of the animals. So for those of you that are animal lovers, you can email me for her Apex code. In any event, guys, good morning. I hope you all had a great weekend. I've said that, but I want to reiterate it. It was a long weekend for me. I was out on Friday. Consequently, I don't know how the algos may have performed on Friday. I was not here, so I didn't run them. I'm assuming slow, but they had a terrific month after starting out the first maybe 10 days of the month relatively slow. Both 3-1 and 3-3 were over 7,000 for the month. 94 and 91% win rates. I mean, it's astronomical. The 40 range did 52, 5,400, something like that. ES made money. You don't think they took any trades on Friday? That would be probably par for the course in low volatility and low volume. I mean, they generally aren't, and we frankly don't want them to. On the screen on the right, I have marked Friday's high in blue and Friday's close in chartreuse. For those of you guys that have been asking about the indicator, it is 99% done. If anybody would like to purchase the market structure indicator, it is done. The only thing that is not done is a second time frame to plot break of structure on different time frames. But the swing is done. This is not it. I got it this morning. I haven't downloaded it or imported it yet to my Ninja, but the swing is done. So if anybody is interested, you can email me. We do have some members using it already. What I'm going to do is it'll be, going out and advertising. We'll let everyone know that it's available. And then next week, we'll do an installation as a group. And then we'll do 2 or 3 classes on how I trade it, which I think is fairly self-explanatory. But in any event, let's get on with it. It's Monday. Market's pushing higher, par for the course. That's funny. Yes, the bots are the algo's only built for NinjaTrader 8, Andrew. Good morning, Kevin. You're not missing anything. We're just bantering a little bit here. You know how I love buying highs too. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Excuse me. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance. Holding some support. Say again, Greg?
I'm taking this 25 short.
Okay.
Stop will be that little high, though. Be aware it's 20 points.
Yeah, up here, 47 quarter.
Yeah.
Okay. Unless it takes out this high, guys, and that's invalid for me for now. We got some sellers in here.
All right.
We're going to push to 72. And 72, I think, was hit pretty damn close. 71.50 maybe. There it is, 72.
75.
So here's the first trade on the algo on the ES. NASDAQ is now fighting resistance. Got some support here at this 55. It's going to have to break below. If it breaks below 55, it'll get target. I'd like to see a pullback to on the ES personally somewhere near 45, which is where I would take a long. It's got to break 55. It'll get target. We're at 21. All right, looks like I'm about caught up now on the ES. No, I'm not. Come on, let's get a target. It's got to break this 55. If 55 breaks, it comes right down. No, that isn't going to help me, man. The last people I would reach out to for help on my NinjaTrader platform is NinjaTrader. They'll just blame it on third-party indicators. It's never Ninja's fault. It has never been Ninja. It will never be Ninja. It's not Ninja. But I can tell you on my Thinkorswim platform and my TradeStation platform, I've never once had lag. Never once. That's all. I'm pretty close to caught up. I'm not caught up yet. Has target. Give me a pullback. We just broke structure on the Ninjacator. On the Ninja Renko, I mean. So we're going to bounce back up. Let's see if we get a move somewhere near this 20. And I'll look for a short there. I'm going to short this if this fails. If I get a red candle, I'm going to just hit sell market, right? Watch that current candle. We're pushing resistance up here at 21, 20.5. With sellers. Come on, give me a candle. Let's go. One, come on, there it is. Come on. Those are manual trades. Manual trades. There we go. Okay, out at even. I'm up 565.
Order filled.
Anybody take that 42? Anybody take 42? Final target right now is 73. All right, fellas, 73. So this
Quite
is,
a bit of,
say again?
go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No.
Finish your thought. Quite a bit of resistance up there.
$33 is going to be the halfback on a 1 minute. I think we come down to 25, which is fairly decent support. Smallish sellers in here. I'm going to have a 2-minute short, if you guys like it, in 8 seconds. I went to break even just because of the news. Out, break even. Nothing trade, up 760. But look, we held, basically. So what I'd like to see here is a pullback now to 47, 48, and then a failure again, right at this resistance. ISM, though, in 1 minute, so sit tight. Minute, 10 seconds. Mm. 30 seconds, guys. $48.4. Let it settle down. Scalper again. Another winning trade. Guys, this is a small 10-tick target, so I can't move it fast enough generally. 3 for 3, up 300 on the scalper. We just broke structure again to the long side. Let's see if we get a pullback. Right now, I would look for a long at 74.25. 74.25. Now we need to take out that high again. We have buyers, 400 in this block. Final target, I have a 96 or 7. All right, opening range is in. We're pushing the opening range high. That's your opening range high, 69.5. Opening range low is 27. $300 buyers here, 27 working on 2,800 positive delta. Let me just look at something else here. God, NASDAQ got throttled. So did crude, so did gold. NASDAQ's going to 202. Got a lower high. I'm kind of thinking we might get a small pullback unless we get back up through this 74.25. There are no sellers. I'm not looking for shorts. The only short I have is 26 at the moment. Working on 2,900 positive delta. Guys, give me 1 minute. All right, I'm back. We got a trade on the scalper.
Order filled.
Another winner, 4 for 4. $300, $150, and Algo 3-2 just missed target. These are dangerous damn trades. I don't like them, but they're winners. The only one that's left on is 3-2. We'll see how that came down through. We broke structure, bounced, which we expect. Broke back down through structure. I haven't seen it on the 1 minute yet. We don't have a break of structure yet on a 1 minute, or do we?
Yeah.
Do we?
Well, I'm looking at 2 minute. I don't.
Yeah, we got it on a 1 minute at 53. So we have a break of structure now on the 1 minute. If anybody is short, this is the last trade of the day for me. My stop's at even. That's a bad stop, but this is where I'm going to finish the day. I'll go over all my stuff. All right, I'm out. Not the biggest day, 1,060, but so 1,060 there, 265, 240 on the low end of all my PAs, from down 800 on the first trade on the PAs. So I picked up 1,000 and change in 2 trades. 1,060 on an evaluation. Let me get this recorded. Algo 3.1 is up 150. 3.2 is down 470, but that just needs 1 trade. So let's Let's record our trades. So for those of you guys that didn't go through all the spreadsheets, last month Algo 3.1 had two dose losing trades for the month. Okay, one trade, one winner here. Currently at 100%, high watermark 150. Algo 3.3. One trade, one winner. That had 3 losing trades last month. And high watermark currently at 300. Here is the 40 range. 6 trades, 6 winners, up 600, 605. Bear with me one second. So I got a question here. What's the difference between 3132 and 33? That was explained, Andrew, in the email that I sent you. They're all NASDAQ charts, just different settings. How much is the Algo Complete Auto? Does it need tinkering? It does not need tinkering. We haven't changed the settings in 5 months. Again, I sent everybody the spreadsheets. I realized that there are a ton of spreadsheets to look at and trades, but let's see here, 470. So we have one trade here, one loser, and 470 in draw so far. So for instance, for those of you guys that are, interested in an automated system, let's take a look at Algo 3.1. All right, 3.1 and 3.3 are similar. They're just different target size. So let's go back. Now, again, for those of you that did not look at the spreadsheets or did not read my email, let's talk about it. These are actual trades taken. These are not hypothetical. The month of July, 43 trades with 39 winners, 91% win rate, $12,000. August, we slowed down. We had half the trades, 32 trades, 28 winners, 88% win rate, $8,400. September, 43 trades, 38 winners, 88% win rate, $4,400. October, 49 trades, 43 winners, 88%, $3,000. November, 36 trades, 34 winners, 94% win rate, $7,700. Okay, I can go on and on, but I've sent you guys all the spreadsheets. You can do it yourself.